guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I thought it'd be fun to do a PINCHme Box unboxing today. PINCHme is a website you can go onto, PINCHme.com, and you can sign up, and then I think it's Sample Tuesdays. I'm pretty sure it's Sample Tuesdays, where they have different samples available and you can sign up to receive them, and then they mail these cute little boxes to your house, and then you get fun free stuff. It's great. It's awesome. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and join the YouTube family. I like music, crafts, makeup-y, beauty-related things, and I like to open boxes of free stuff. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's see. What's this? I got Lumify. Oh, it's an ad for try Lumify and see for yourself. Little pamphlet ad. There's nothing on here. I can't say words. What time am I filming this? There's nothing in here. It's just a little like flyer thingy. A little ad. What else we got? Oh, I got little gummy bears. This will be fun. This will last me all but 5 seconds, but I'm excited. I love gummy bears. Awesome. What else? What else? I got a BandAid. Pretty cool. And oh, there's a coupon for 75 cents off. That's pretty nice. What else? We got Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Do you see me now? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? What else? Ooh, what's this? I'm excited about this. It's Moroccan oil all-in-one leave-in conditioner, which is great because I'm the kind of person who has dry hair and skin like all the time. This is exciting. All-in-one leave-in conditioner. Definitely using this very soon. Oh no, I dropped it. Ooh. I got garbage bags because you can never have too many garbage bags. This one is lemon fresh bleach scent. Ooh, that's definitely lemon. I've never had scented garbage bags, so this will be fun. This definitely smells like lemon. Lemon fresh bleach scent. Definitely smells like lemon. What's this one? Mountain Air. That one smells really good. These are both by Glad. Alright, and that's it. That's all that's in my little sample box. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got a PINCHme box and what you received in your box. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope to see you in my next one, and I'll catch you later. Bye!